Hello, and thank you for watching. My name is Rachel Barnett with Gentle Frog. I'm here to create videos for you to help you understand QuickBooks slightly better than you currently do. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please put them in the chat box. Thank you.
In this video, I want to talk to you about how to record an NSF payment. In my example, I have a make-believe client who had an invoice, they paid the invoice, and then the payment was returned. You can pretend like the payment was returned, or like the client paid with the wrong credit card, you gave them a refund, and now you need to go back and collect the money. Doesn't matter how you want to approach it. In my last video, I talked about why to not use a refund receipt. So in this video, we're just going to pretend like we've accidentally used the refund receipt and we're like, wait, I've learned that's bad. Let me get rid of that. So the refund came out of the account called Demo 1900. All I'm going to do is just click on More on the bottom of my screen and then select Delete. If this had come through bank feeds, that $350 will magically reappear in the banking transactions. This is my demo account. I didn't set up like a banking so that it would show up. So I'm just going to show you how to deal with this manually. What I'm going to do is record an expense. It's not an expense as you might think about it on the profit and loss. In this case, expense just means this is the name of the template in the upper left-hand corner of my screen. So who's my customer? My customer is Demo 123 Main Street. The refund on the 25th coming out of this account. The category is going to be accounts receivable. And it's $350. So all I'm really doing is just telling QuickBooks $350 left my bank account. And the reason is something to do with accounts receivable. I'm going to choose Save and Close. Let me go to my customer now. When I look at my customer, I can see that they owe $350. But when I look at the invoice says that it's paid. And I find this to be kind of confusing. So what I like to do is I go back into the payment. I know that it's this one here, but let's pretend like I didn't know that. I know this whole thing started because this invoice got paid and then it got unpaid. So I'm going to go to the invoice and be like, all right, QuickBooks, I need the payment. And QuickBooks will say, oh, here it is. And I'm like, great, let me click on the payment. So now I can see this payment. This is the original payment that the client gave us, which then got returned for reasons. All I want to do is link that payment with the withdrawal from my bank account. I want to say that the withdrawal happened because of the payment, but the invoice is still outstanding, still money is owed. So I'm just unchecking the invoice and I'm checking the expense. I'm going to choose Save and Close. By doing this, it doesn't change that the client owes $350. What does happen is it makes it more obvious to me why they owe $350. A moment ago, I couldn't look at this at a glance and say, oh, it's because of that NSF check. Now I can look at it and be like, oh, you haven't paid invoice 1017. Could you please pay that? Let me show you on the profit and loss what this looks like now that we've made all those changes. When I look at the profit and loss on an accrual basis, it says my income is $350. I'm just clicking on the numbers so that I can see the details behind the scenes. I can see my invoice, 1017. It's showing up. It is showing up as income because it's an accrual basis. If I change it to cash basis, it'll be $0 because I don't have the cash. I hope this video has been helpful. If there are other videos you'd like to see me make, please don't hesitate to let me know. If you're stuck and need my help to walk through something, please don't hesitate to book a training call. My website is gentlefrog.com. Thanks.